guys, Samantha here with Aqua Hair Extensions. I'm so excited to introduce to you our newest extension system, the Aqua V-Lite system. So what is Aqua V-Lite Extensions? The Aqua V-Lite Extension system is a newest technology of hair extensions that utilizes adhesive as well as a handheld LED curing light system. This system adheres individual strands of hair extensions onto the natural hair. So what is this so-called adhesive? The adhesive has a photo-initiating agent that is activated with the LED curing light. We have two different color adhesives that you can use at your disposal. Both are activated using our LED curing machine. You're probably asking, is this LED machine safe? The answer is 100% yes. So in order to make sure the machine is safe, we never recommend to cure directly in someone's eyes. So never turn the light on in your client's eyes or in your own eyes. The machine has a guard that will protect your eyes when you're curing on your guest's hair. Also, we provide a black shield that will protect your guest's scalp from the machine. So as long as you're taking all of these precautionary measures, the V-Lite is 100% safe. So who are the V-Lite extensions for? Absolutely anyone can wear the V-Lite extension system. However, the most benefiting from V-Lite absolutely are your really, truly fine hair clients. Even though the V-Lite system is definitely most beneficial for your finer hair clients, anyone can wear it. So if you have a guest who is growing out their fringe, maybe has a heavy face frame that they're wanting to extend, the V-Lite extension system is perfect because it can live in areas that no other system can. You can really push the limits of where it's applied. But it's not only for fill-in purposes. If you have a client who wants to test out some color, maybe they don't want the commitment of lightener or permanent color, you can apply any extension color with V-Lite to give them those pops of colors. Again, whether it's a highlight, a low light, a crazy color, you can give them anything from baby lights all the way to a really bold, chunky light using V-Lite extensions. So if you're thinking about taking our education classes, I would 10 out of 10 recommend. We offer both in-person and live virtual hands-on trainings. So you can absolutely take this course from the comfort of your own home or attend an in-person site with an educator hands-on. So how do you find when and where to take a class? Visit our website, www.aquahairextensions.com, for an entire list of classes that we're offering. For both our hands-on in-person and our hands-on live virtual class, you get a full V-Lite class kit. In our Aqua V-Lite class kit, you'll receive everything you need to do the hands-on portion of the class. You get a V-Lite hair extensions machine with all the accessories necessary. You get 1 bottle of clear and 1 bottle of black adhesive. You get 1 remover solvent as well as your remover gun. You get your V-Lite shield, your V-Lite comb as well as a metal tail comb. You get single prong metal clips as well as your hair grippers. And you receive practice hair for the class. Now what's super important with every class kit, you'll get your V-Lite class prep card. Please read through the class prep card to prepare you for the class. So why should I register for an Aqua V-Lite certification class? I truly believe our V-Lite certification class is like no other. The in-depth knowledge you receive in addition to your class kit is incredible. So you learn how to apply 3 different V-Lite techniques, invisible, blended, and bold, how to remove those extensions properly, how to fill those extensions properly. Beyond that application, everything from client consultation, client maintenance, and pricing. So it is a very, very in-depth, hands-on, comprehensive training where you learn everything from A to Z Aqua V-Lite.